Hello, I'm John Irvine, the Director of Admissions here at St. Peter's Prep. Welcome to our virtual open house. Of the many things this pandemic has taught us, or given us, I think we can all agree, it's given us a heightened sense of appreciation for the many little things that we can no longer do. For example, I miss being able to greet the 7th graders for the first time, had they come in for the HAP exam. And I miss being able to greet you in person here in this lobby with a handshake, find out where your hometown is and where you go to middle school. But I thank you for visiting us today. We purposely did not make this a live event so that folks could spend as much time as they like on this virtual tour, or maybe come back at another time to view more of the videos or even all of the videos. Hopefully you'll get a sense that St. Peter's could be the school for you, and look forward to hearing more from you and meeting you in person in the fall when you begin the application process. Thank you and enjoy the tour.